How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why do your AirPods make a chirping noise. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. So this is actually super common. A lot of people get this, but they don't really know why. There is a setting that you can find inside your phone for the AirPods. And basically what you have to do is you have to disable or enable, depending which one you have, the charging case sounds. So your charging case sounds, you can either enable or disable them. If you have them enabled right now, then just disable them and that should get rid of the charging case sounds. If for some reason they are already disabled, then I would try enabling them. Just whichever one it's on, just pick the opposite and it should get rid of the chirping sound. But again, disable the charging case sound. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.